Hey, have you ever wondered why some people just seem to glow with energy every single day? I used to think it was some secret, but honestly, it comes down to daily nutrition hacks that anyone can do. All right, let's dive right in. First up, hydration. Most of us are basically running on empty. Start your day with a big glass of water before that coffee, and keep a bottle nearby. It's a game changer for focus, energy, and even your skin. Next, breakfast. Skip the sugar crash. Think protein and fiber. Greek yogurt with berries, eggs with whole grain toast, or even a simple smoothie. The key? Something that fills you up, not out. Here's a trendy trick. Add more color to your meals. No, not with candy. I mean veggies. Mix up your salads, toss spinach in your omelet, or throw some carrots into your stir fry. The more colors, the more nutrients. Snacking? I get it. Sometimes you just need something quick. Swap those chips for nuts, fruit, or hummus with veggies. It keeps your energy steady and your cravings in check. And if you're on the go, meal prepping once a week can save your wallet and your waistline. Think overnight oats, mason jar salads, or just pre-chopped veggies. It's not just for gym rats, it's for anyone who wants to eat better without the daily hassle. Last hack, listen to your body. If you're tired, hungry, or just off, check in with what you ate today. Sometimes your body tells you what it needs, just got to listen. So next time you reach for that snack or skip a meal, remember, small daily changes add up. You don't need a fat diet or magic pill, just a few smart swaps, and you're on your way to feeling your best every day. If you learned something new, hit subscribe for more quick tips on living well.